Hello everyone and welcome back to Ryson Spray Booth, and in this video I will be telling you 3 things that you should never tell your customer before you open the vehicle. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So moving on to the first point, which you should never tell the customer. And the first point is you should never tell the customers that you are free and that you are only working out on their vehicle. If you do that, that customer will be after you to complete his vehicle as soon as possible and you will fall into haste. So always show that you are busy with something and behave as if you have many other things to do and you are keeping all those other customers' things behind to do his job. Show as if you are making a favor on him. And also first only tell him that it will take time. When you do this, you can work on that vehicle in a relaxing manner. But now since you are getting more time, always make sure that you finish the vehicle as soon as you can instead of simply taking that time and delaying it. Sometimes the vehicle is ready before time, and when you deliver it before time, the customer gets happy and you also got to work on the vehicle in a very relaxing way. And with that, let's move on to the second point. And the second point is never tell the customer the exact amount that you will be charging on the paint job, because you don't know what is the condition of the vehicle till you open it. Once you open the vehicle, you can have rust issues, some parts may be broken, you might have to do some welding job, so your work can increase as you start working on that vehicle. Likewise, what happened to me once, I took a vehicle for paint job and I already finalized the price, and once when I start to work on that bike, I realized that there are at least 10 to 12 coats of paints on top of that surface, and I had to take everything out with a paint remover. And guys, when you are using a paint remover, your work time increases, because to take that paint out from the surface and to reach the bare metal, it really takes a lot of efforts. So like this, I wasted lots of time taking out that paint. I could have painted on top of that and given the vehicle back, but I didn't want it to do that. It would have only spoiled my reputation, which I will never want. So don't fall in trouble like this. Learn from my mistakes and don't do those mistakes. And with that, let's move on to the third and the last point. And the third point is never tell the customer exact date when you will deliver the vehicle, because you yourself doesn't know when the vehicle will be ready. You can give him a time frame and always tell the customer that the time can increase if there are more faults in the vehicle, because the more faults it has, the more time it will take. Then there is drying time. You will apply body filler, you will apply paint, you will apply primer, and these things take time to dry. So also include that when you are telling the customer when the vehicle will be ready. And sometimes some people don't work on a Sunday. Always tell the customer that the things can delay as per the situation, and like this you can finish the paint job in a very relaxing manner. So hoping that this video was useful to you guys. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.